Hey traders, today we're going to continue on in terms of our psychology of trading series, how to master the mental state when you are trading. And one of the things that I see often, and this is a kind of normal thing, is people's association with money. Their association with money actually impacts the decisions that they make in life. And for some people associate money to be so important that it actually affects a lot of the decisions that they make in life. And what I want to talk about today is specifically the association with money when you are trading. So one of the things that I see a lot is people say, well, I want to make a certain amount of money per day, which is normal. And what they don't realize is that when they are involved into the markets, they are into a trade, then they make, let's just say, $200 per day, and they associate that $200 with a nice dinner, or they associate with buying a nice gift for themselves. And what they end up doing is, since they associate that money with a certain value and they don't want to lose that, they would exit that trade once they have reached that target. And in some sense, that is wrong, because if you disassociate that with the money aspect, is you might be able to actually make more than $200. You might be at that day make $300, $400, $500, or $1,000. On the other side, same thing too, is if you were losing $200, in a specific trade in particular one day, again, if you associate that emotional value with it, you may say to yourself, I don't want to exit that position because that loss of $200 is reflective of my groceries for that particular month, for that example. So try to not associate money when you are actually in the markets. You obviously have a goal in terms of how much you want to make per day. It's just a guideline for you to follow. In next week's video, I'm going to talk about life outside of trading, and actually how your downtime in not trading the financial markets actually will help you become a better trader. So make sure to subscribe to our videos, like us on Facebook, Twitter. See you guys here next time.